not stop, means slow down. When I hit this, mean up, up, slow down. Understand the drum command. We got it? Alright, we're gonna go all the way to the buoy. 50% together. Lean forward 20-30 degrees. Set. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. Good job. Good job. Okay, this one here we're gonna do a race pace. We're gonna do from here to the buoy over there. Race pace. Okay. You guys should have should warm enough, right? Good. Now this is real, okay? Okay. Okay, my boy, hold hard, hold hard. Remember that. Don't stop until we get to that buoy. Okay. Race pace. Okay. Let's try about 70% first. Okay. I don't want to go 100% first. Yes. Let's try 70% of your power, of your strength. My boat straight. Okay, we're gonna get out. So what's your strategy? 3. You guys want to get out 5 or 10? First pull out. Huh? 5? Okay. 5 hard one, right? Okay. And then after that, power up all the way. Okay. All right, listen up. Listen up. This is a race pace, okay? We're gonna get out 5 hard one. Where a dry start. Pull hard. 5 stroke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna power up all the way to halfway, right? And then finish. Increase your speed more, okay? Faster. Let's say we're gonna go after 5 stroke. We're gonna go about 60%, okay, of your power, and then halfway down we're gonna go about 70%. Okay, raise up more. You got it? Listen to my drum. When I hit faster, you go faster. Okay? Let's try that. First 5, hard one, okay? Set. Pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Up, up. Get him all. Bye. Good. Okay. Yeah. I know we're not doing too good in fast pace, okay? We're not doing together. We're not together at all. We can't go faster than that. If we go faster than that, you guys are gonna break it apart. Yeah. Except you two, it's okay. Yeah. If we have 20 of you, it'll be good. Unfortunately, I only have 2 of you. So it's not good. Please. Thank you. Elise, go. We can't go faster than that, okay? We break it apart. Yeah, we can do that. You can do that very, very good. But in the race pace, we don't do that. See, you know. But I need to train you guys on the race pace, you know. But you guys can only go so, you know, fast, you know. Yeah, that's, you know, you can't. Let's try that 50% only, okay? Together. Like I said, fast sometimes it's not good. Sometimes it's good only you have the strength. But if you don't have the strength, you're going fast, no good. You gotta break it apart. But fast, not always good. Sometimes slow is good. As long as you're together. Okay? And also, you guys need to watch each other, okay? Make sure you guys are the same kind of, you know. Yeah. You're a little faster than her, yeah. But it's okay. You can see the right here. Okay, let's try it again, okay? So make sure try to corner it, okay? Alright, try again. 50% long reach, okay? Long reach, dry start. All the way down to the buoy, okay? Ready, set. Pull. Right? Good. I think this pace better. Much better. Yeah. So the boat seems going faster. Okay. You may, and you don't get tired. Okay. You don't get tired, and then you mow single line. So I think we need to stick with this kind of page. Okay. Yeah. Don't rush. Okay. Don't rush. Stay in the same page all the time. The boat seems like it's going faster. Okay. I'm hold hard. Okay. Okay. Let's release. Alright, let's drink up. Water break. Water break. Now remember that on the race, you guys don't get panicked, okay? Calm, be calm. Don't worry about the other teams going fast, okay? They're going so fast. Sometimes you see a lot of bubble coming up, right? Bubble, water. It's all white water coming up. You think it's gonna go fast? No, it doesn't. Just a bubble. They try to go fast, but the boat ain't go. You guys pull slowly, hard. The boat's gonna go, okay? So don't fall in that trap. Oh, they're going too fast. Faster, faster. No, don't. You want to go in already? Wow. 9:45. Oh, why didn't you say so? Good idea. This is waterproof, right? Okay. So it's okay if I fall in there and in case I drop my phone, I need to. Yeah, but I don't want to sink. I don't want to sink all the way down. So I gotta fall myself down too, with all of them. Okay, just in case I drop it, and then I just throw myself in the water with this. I don't have time to take it off. Okay, and then okay, all right, then. All right. Probably it's about 100 stroke. 100 stroke, you probably finish line. Okay, never mind. We just doesn't matter how many stroke. We just go this buoy to that buoy. Okay, we figure about 250. So already I'm gonna get 50%. Same pace, same stroke. Okay, I'm gonna time. We're gonna pass. Don't stop until the tail pass the buoy. Okay. When the tail pass the buoy, we'll stop. Get ready. I'm gonna time this, okay? Ready, set, pull. Good job. Good job. Very good. 1 minute 40 seconds. Just about right. 1 minute 40 seconds. You know that? It's about 90 stroke. From that buoy to buoy. 90 stroke. 140 is good. You know? Now, if you want to try faster, I bet you're gonna take longer to get there. So 90 stroke from that buoy, this buoy. 140 just about right, you know. So most of the girls team is about average 130, 140, you know, around that. Yeah. Huh? Can't hear you.
Almost 10, they want to go back.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we got about 9 minutes.
That was serious.
Right now it's 9:50.
Yeah, we can go back.
Yeah. Okay.
Have appointment.
Whoa.
She does.
Dang. Do it.
Your other team is waiting too.
Oh, she really want to go back. Right? Yeah. Are we here to train? Well, you know, I want to go home too. You know, let's go home. Okay. You want to call? You want to call today? Call for now? Okay, let's go to the store. You want to do that? Okay. Back to the store. So, huh? Turn on the motor. All right. Let's go. Same page.